Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to start a TikTok shop. First, open your web browser and go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center website. Now sign in with your TikTok account. If you don't have one, create a new account using your email address or phone number. Once you're signed in, choose your country or region and click enter. Now select the type of business you want to register. You can choose to register as an individual seller or as a business. If you're registering a business, enter your legal business information and any required tax details. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing the requested information. Now set up your warehouse or pickup address where your products will be stored or shipped from. Enter your business address, contact person name, postcode, and phone number. After that, add your return address. You can use the same address if you want returns sent to the same location. Now read the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click Start Your Business. Once your shop is created, go to the Seller Center homepage and click Verify Documents. Here, upload the required identification documents. If you're an individual seller, upload your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. If you're registering a company, upload your business registration documents along with the identification of the business owner or legal representative. After uploading all required documents, click Submit and wait for TikTok to review your application. Once your documents are approved, return to the Seller Center homepage and click Link Bank Account. Now enter your bank account details, including the account name, bank name, account number, email address, and business address. Make sure the account name matches your registered business or personal name exactly. Then click Submit to connect your bank account. After your bank account is verified, you can start adding products to your TikTok shop, manage orders, track sales, and receive payments directly through Seller Center. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.